Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today we'll be sharing a yummy, creamy, delicious white sauce pasta. Kids' favorite pasta. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. First, add 5 to 6 cup of water in a vessel. Allow it to boil. Once it starts to boil, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Any oil you can use. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Adding oil, it doesn't get stick to each other. Now add 2 cups of pasta. You can use any other shape of pasta. Now stir it not to stick at the bottom. Keep stirring occasionally. Cook till it's done, like 90% is okay. Do not overcook this. We'll show you. Now it's perfect. Let's switch off the flame and drain the water in a strainer or in a sieve. To stop carryover cooking, let's run a glass of normal water or a cold water. In the pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also prepare this by using olive oil. Now the butter is melting. Let's add 1 tablespoon of garlic, finely chopped garlic. Saute it well. Saute it till it becomes golden brown. Now let's add chicken pieces into it and stir it. You can also use mushroom or broccoli for this. Saute it like 1 to 2 minutes. As we are taking boneless chicken, it won't take more time to cook. Now for the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of pepper powder. If you want more spicy, you can increase the quantity. Now saute it. Cook it in a medium flame so that the spices will not get burnt. Now adding half teaspoon of oregano. Mix it well. Now it's time to add the vegetables. Adding 1/4 cup of bell pepper and 1 sliced carrot. You can add any veggies of your choice. Now stir it. Now add enough salt into it and saute it well. At last, finally, add the spring onions. Give it a good mix. We do not want to overcook the veggies. We want to retain the crunch of these veggies. Now mix it well and switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the sauce for this pasta. Add 3 tablespoons of butter into the pan. Once it started to melt, add finely chopped onion. Here I am taking half of 1 onion. Now saute it till it becomes transparent. Once the onions becomes transparent, add 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. Keep stirring. Keep stirring or else the maida will get burnt. Now cook it till the raw smell goes or the raw taste goes. Now for the flavors, adding 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Keep the flame in a medium. Once the raw smell goes, add 1.5 cup of milk. Stir it continuously that not to get lumps on it. Now let's add enough salt into it. If you want more spicy, you can also add chili flakes to this and let it boil. Once it started to boil, let's add a fresh cream into it. You can also use fresh cream cheese or any processed cheese for this. I am using only fresh cream for this. Now stir it continuously or else it will get lumps on it. Now stir it till it becomes creamy in texture. Now the texture is creamy. Let's add the veggies into it. Mix it well. After this, let's add the pasta into it. Now give it a good mix till the sauce and veggies well combined. Mix it well. Now it's finely mixed. Let's switch off the flame and let's serve this delicious pasta. This pasta is ready. Try this rich, creamy, delicious pasta. You will love it. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get the instant notification. We'll be back with a new delicious yummy recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.